tell that what you imagine sometimes comes true.
Gee, you really think so, Grandpa Joe? Gee, I wonder.
I think our little young Charlie Bucket has got transported into a world of imagination, a world of pure wonder and joy. But no worries, we will come back to you very soon and will take you to the next adventure as life is full of surprises. And I hope you all are agree. The true beauty of music is that it connects people. And the best part about it is when it hits you, you feel no pain. It gives you dream to fly high. With the same perception, our little singers are ready to cherish our soul by their entering performance. So let us enjoy. Come on, everyone, please give them a big round of applause.